Ready? Oh, and they're off. Trey's catching air. Trey, did you catch air?
Your hair is like phew, phew. What are you doing? Not just that.
Everybody's coming with me.
Come on, I want to see you guys off.
Smile. Let kids get in there.
All right, bye. Have fun.
Oh my God, there's a clown.
Be safe, Trey. You okay, Xander?
Hurry, go. What?
Ooh, Mackenzie. Sheesh. Xander, look. Xander, look. Mackenzie, get out.
Get out.
Look, Xander, look at brother. Look. Look, he's actually like, I don't have anything for you.
Pet, baby, pet him.
You're like,
Xander.
look at you, sister.
Xander, don't be afraid. Feed them.
Feed it. Look, it wants it. Feed it.
Feed them. Give them the food. Give them the food. Oh. Xander, you gotta hold your hand out with the food in it like this. Give it the food, man. Good job, Mackenzie. Get out and go. Don't freak out. Just hold your hand out. There you go. That one wants some too. Xander, give that one some. Get some food.
I'm done.
You're done. Kaylee's getting attacked.
I don't want.
Come on, baby.
Look,
Put it in your hand.
Lick it off your hand.
I don't want to jump on me.
I know, Xander. No, it won't jump on you. Just put some food in your hand and then hand it to
I
him.
want to get out.
See, brother's feeding them. Try it, baby. Put some food in your hand really quick. Look, put some food in your hand really quick. And then it's boring?
Oh my gosh.
I don't like this.